Kindness. What might seem like the simplest, smallest kind gesture can have a big impact on someone's life. It can scatter light through the darkness and bring connection even at the loneliest of times. Everyone can be kind. It costs nothing and there are no barriers. Kindness can bring people together, even complete strangers. It can help build communities in villages, towns, cities, and in rural areas. One act of kindness can inspire another. And kindness is good for us. Research has shown that either extending or receiving kindness can have positive physical benefits. So sign up now to the Connect to Kindness campaign and be part of something special. Do please go to the Connect to Kindness website to sign up and get involved, make a pledge, or sign up to a Connect to Kindness awareness session. Together, we can wash a wave of kindness over West Wales. Thank you.